In this video, I'm going to show you Logitech G Hub not opening or how to fix Logitech G Hub not working. So first off, you just have to control Alt Tab and go Task Manager, and you should navigate your G Hub in here in the background process. So for example, this is your Logitech G Hub, and make sure to end task. After that, you should go to your services. Once you are in here, just navigate your Logitech G Hub. And for example, this is your Logitech G Hub. Make sure to refresh and go to properties. And you should start that and click apply and OK. And after that, you should refresh that again. And after that, once that won't work, you should go to your control panel. And once you are in this control panel, you should uninstall program, navigate your Logitech G Hub, and make sure to uninstall that. And as you can see, for example, just right click and uninstall. And once that's done, you should install a old version in Logitech G Hub. Make sure to copy this into your browser and make sure to pick a Logitech G Hub, something like with compatible in your version of Windows. So for example, the next fix is you should go for check updates for your Windows, because this could also the only thing that would also the reason that would block the Logitech G Hub for not opening, because you need updates on your Windows, and that's it.